Good evening, everyone. This is AR15 Research Laboratory, and I am Amanda. We are happy to meet you guys here. In the future, we will upload some videos from Facebook and YouTube to share some new products. Welcome to follow our channel and communicate with us. We will be very grateful if you can give us some advice. This evening, we want to introduce you an upgraded AR15, which was designed entirely for competition. This product is 87 cm and weighs 2 kilograms. It uses metal fishbone and is equipped with 2 mechanical sides. It also has a 556 red dot sight that provides with great precision for your shoes. Most importantly, it uses a mental gearbox inside, which has been well upgraded. Some people may ask why we still use the 317 motor instead of the 416 or 418 motor. To tell the truth, these two motors have a disadvantage. That is, their speed is not good as the 317 ones. That's why our technicians choose the 317 motor. Of course, for the spring using 1.3 or 1.4, the torque of the 317 motor is sufficient. At the muzzle position, we use a mental fair cap and a hold up to make this product more realistic. And in the backrest, we use a nylon backrest to make it feel good when you use it. Finally, I think everyone is very concerned about its shooting speed and distance. This product can reach 300 round gel balls per minute and a straight line distance of 27 to 30 meters. So we recommend that you prepare with enough gel balls when you use these products on the ground. That's all the detailed introductions of our new products. Welcome to discuss in the comment area. If you like this product, you can share our video with your friends. If you do not like this product, you are welcome to give feedback to us, and we will try our best to do better. Thanks for your watching. If you want to buy this product, you can contact us in AliExpress. We will reply as soon as possible, or you can just click on the link below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.